Greetings from East Java, Indonesia. Today we'll be venturing into the Semeru caldera, which is an ancient volcano that erupted more than 45,000 years ago. And into this massive caldera, it left 5 smaller volcanoes. Today we'll climb Mount Bromo. The name Bromo comes from the Javanese pronunciation of the Hindu word Brahma, which is the Hindu god of creation. So join me and my good friend LANDCRUISER on our journey to the top of Mount Bromo. LANDCRUISER, what are you doing outside? Have some manners and introduce yourself, please.
Hi guys, this is Elena, Elena. Just join us for this nice trip to Bromo. It's amazing place and volcanoes. Let's go!
Okay. We can't be seen, but the start of our journey up the mountain Bromo. Recording.
I see nothing. Oh, a lot of hair.
If you tired, you can stop anywhere.
Take video of this.
Yes.
But it's not my eyes.
Oh, sorry.
Here we go. We're on climbing Mount Bromo. How many meters high are we?
It's hardcore trek.
2,300 here.
Okay. I always thought it was crazy. Mountain climbers complaining about low oxygen at high altitudes. But it's very true. I have to stop. Almost 2,300 meters above sea level. And I have to keep stopping.
Water?
Yes, water, please. One moment. Okay. You see the city site.
Holiday become. Be done.
This is holiday.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. A rest. Mountain, 2,300 meters, 2,700 meters, somewhere there around, and you can see down below where the smoke is coming out is what is somewhat active, but it used to be the whole basin down here. You can see the edge of the volcano, what used to be the entire active part. Very cool. The tops of other mountains over there.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Maybe when it come back next year.
Okay, in the spring.
Yeah.
Or north of the equator spring.
You know,
Your fall.
it was like with Bali before.
Yeah, so is that an eruption? Small activity?
Yeah, activities
I mean up there on the top of the mountain, is that like...
for 4 months ago from for Semeru.
Right.
Semeru.
So
And
right now the smoke, is that a small amount of activity?
yeah, activity just smoke.
Okay, you're just bubbling and...
Yeah, maybe 1 hour or 5 hour and then blue.
Right, okay.
Can you eat?
What do you eat?
Can you eat?
One of the plants?
Well done.
Oh.
Cipluan. The fruit man. The cipluan.
And the three of us. You and we, maybe we can go there. Like walking. No?
That is afraid me like this.
Yeah, it's okay.
Kudanya mogok.
It was supposed I was talking. Oh, naturunkan aku di sini. I was stay behind the horse. I said, no, I don't want to stay here. It's really dangerous. Because horse all the time, like push by hands, by back legs.
Ini jenenge pada orang wedane badi ya. Pada mabuk. Bener ya napen gigi.
It's even got Thomas the Tank Engine on it.
Ya sih kayak motor nang Ganano kayak alamatnya sih kayak truknya ya itu jeep sing sayur loh. Terus ya gitu.